Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted Instagram story. So if you guys delete a story and you want to restore it to your story again, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So first, you need to go to your profile in your Instagram and then click on the three lines icon at the top and find the your activity option. Click on that, and in here just scroll down until you find the recently deleted. Click to view and manage content you've recently deleted. Just click on that, and here you'll find the stories that I deleted. For example, I want to restore this story right here. So what I need to do is click on the three dots icon, click on more, and then find the restore. So this the Instagram will question you if you share this story within the past 24 hours or add it to your story highlights. People will be able to see and interact with it again. If you delete it from archive, it will be restored to your archive. So since I put this story on archive, this story will be restored to my archive. So just click on restore, and after that the story has been restored. Okay guys, so I think that's all. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.